There is a lot of controversy around Judge Cannon, and she has found herself in the spotlight. Palmer report on Monday, March 25, 2024 said that the story started with the sudden resignations of two of Judge Cannon's law clerks, an event that caused some controversy in the legal community. It is common knowledge that law clerks stay in their roles for the entirety of their terms, eager to learn important lessons that could help them in their future legal professions. Thus, rumors and worries have been aroused by the departure of not one, but two clerks from Judge Cannon's offices. One of the departing clerks gave insight into the working environment under Judge Cannon, calling her mean. Accounts from a well-known law school forum describe a work climate in which employees are expected to put in up to 100 hours a week and are subjected to constant micromanagement. Recounts of the judge's nasty behavior toward her employees and her irrational, sometimes screaming fit reactions emphasize the difficult work atmosphere even more. Accounts of Judge Cannon's courtroom deputy leaving in a short amount of time lend credence to her reputation as a tough employer. The long list of complaints is further augmented by claims that employees are frequently forced to work on federal holidays and weekends with little or no warning. Many people find the working environment intolerable due to her tendency of making last-minute requests and her rigorous work schedule. For individuals with family obligations, working under Judge Cannon's supervision has a disproportionately high cost. There are rumors that she has been acting more aggressively ever since taking on the matter of the classified document, which has made things more tense in her office. Although some people might find these findings surprising, they are in line with Judge Cannon's established incapacity to perform her judicial duties. Her dubious choices and controversial verdicts have raised questions about her judicial ability and stoked doubts about her potential as a leader in any role. Given these disclosures, it is imperative to closely examine Judge Cannon's behavior as an employer in addition to her acts on the bench. Concerns regarding the welfare of her employees and the efficacy of her leadership are raised by reports of a poisonous work environment. It is crucial to demand transparency and accountability in Judge Cannon's management methods as the public processes this most recent development and holds her responsible for her actions. The problems ailing her chambers can only be tackled and resolved by transparent communication and supervision. Furthermore, the New York Supreme Court Judge Juan M. Merchan, who is overseeing the criminal prosecution of former President Donald Trump, has demonstrated his power by standing by his directive that Trump's attorneys obtain his consent before submitting any new motions. Tuesday, March 26, 2024, saw the issuance of this ruling against a background of legal wrangling and a plan by Trump's legal team to drag out the proceedings. The judge's position is quite clear. He expects Trump's legal staff to follow the court's orders and has the authority to penalize for criminal contempt. The seriousness of the court's orders and the repercussions of noncompliance are highlighted in Merchan's warning, which has great weight. In a court document released on X, officially Twitter by Adam Klasfeld, a legal fellow at Just Security, Trump's attorneys have claimed that the order violates his rights under the Sixth Amendment, which include the right to a prompt and public trial. Judge Merchan refuted this claim, pointing out that the court still has the power to effectively manage its docket and avoid any delaying actions that would obstruct the case's advancement. The judge stressed that stopping any attempts to drag out the legal processes past the 2024 presidential election is an important point. Trump has publicly stated that he would prefer to postpone the proceedings until after the next election, both directly and through legal representation. The judge's consistent position shows that she is dedicated to maintaining the fairness of the legal system and making sure that the case moves forward in a timely and efficient manner. Judge Merchan makes it clear to Trump's legal staff that he expects compliance with court orders by threatening to penalize for criminal contempt. Because of its high-profile nature and possible ramifications for the former president, the ongoing legal struggle over Trump's criminal case continues to get attention. Regardless of the parties concerned, Judge Merchan's recent actions demonstrate the crucial role that the judiciary plays in supervising impartial and effective judicial proceedings. The course of Trump's legal challenges will surely be shaped by the court's findings and rulings as the case progresses.